In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix laptop or PC Messenger video call problems fast. If your Messenger video calls keep failing, the camera won't turn on, or people can't see or hear you properly. Don't worry. We're going to walk through a clear set of practical checks and fixes you can do on your computer to get things working again as quickly as possible. First, start by opening Messenger on your laptop or desktop computer, and try initiating a video call with a friend or a test account. This gives you a live way to see what's wrong. For example, whether the camera isn't detected, your microphone is muted, or the call just won't connect. Pay attention to any error messages that appear at the top or bottom of the call window. These often point directly to the problem, like browser permissions, blocked camera access, or internet issues. Next, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection is one of the most common reasons video calls freeze, lag, or drop. Make sure your laptop is either close to the Wi-Fi router or, even better, connected with an Ethernet cable. Try opening a few other websites or playing an online video to confirm that your connection is stable and reasonably fast. If everything online feels slow, restart your router and modem. Wait a minute or two, then reconnect and try the Messenger call again. Now, let's confirm that your camera and microphone are actually working on your computer. On Windows, open the built-in camera app and see if it shows your video clearly. On a Mac, you can test the camera in apps like Photo Booth or FaceTime. For audio, check that your microphone is selected as the input device in your system's sound settings and watch for input level movement when you speak. If the camera or microphone doesn't work in any app, the problem is with your device or drivers, not just Messenger. After that, check your browser or app permissions. If you're using Messenger in a web browser, look for the small lock or camera icon in the address bar while on the Messenger site. Make sure both camera and microphone permissions are set to Allow. In the Messenger desktop app, open the app settings and verify that the correct camera and microphone are selected, and that nothing is muted or disabled. Finally, close and reopen Messenger, or restart your computer if needed, and test the call again. Often, a simple restart will reload drivers and clear temporary glitches. By following these checks step by step, you should be able to quickly identify and fix the most common Messenger video call problems on your laptop or PC.